Hello and welcome to Smart English Hub.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us today.
That's right. Today we have a very important and useful topic, small talk in daily life.
Small talk? What is that, Alex?
Good question, Mia. Small talk is the friendly, polite conversation we have with people in everyday situations. It's simple, but so important.
Exactly. Like when you buy a coffee or meet someone new. It helps you be friendly and practice your English. In this video, we will show you 8 different situations.
Before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, Smart English Hub, and click the like button if you find this video helpful.
Yes, and leave a comment. We love to hear from you. Okay, Alex, are you ready for our first situation?
I'm ready. Let's start with the very common place, a coffee shop.
Okay, so in this role play, I will be the customer and Alex will be the barista. Let's listen.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a large latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, and a chocolate croissant.
Okay, so that's 1 large latte and 1 chocolate croissant. Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Thanks.
Great. Let's look at the key phrases. Mia, you said, can I get?
Yes. Can I get a large latte? This is a very polite and common way to order something. You can use it in restaurants and cafes. Can I get?
Mm-hmm. And I asked, anything else? This means, do you want more things?
Right. And to finish, I said, that's all. It means I don't need anything more. It's a simple way to say you are finished ordering.
Perfect. Let's move to our second situation, shopping for clothes.
Okay, this time I am the shop assistant and Alex is the customer.
Excuse me, do you have this shirt in blue?
Yes, we do. What size do you need?
I need a medium.
Here you go. You can try it on over there.
Thank you. It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Okay, simple and useful. Alex, you started by asking, do you have this in?
Yeah, do you have this shirt in blue? You can use this to ask for a different color or a different size. For example, do you have these shoes in size 9?
Good example. Then I said, you can try it on. To try on means to put on clothes to see if they fit you.
Exactly. And finally, I said, I'll take it. This is a simple phrase to say you want to buy something. I'll take it.
Great. Let's move on to situation number 3, asking for directions.
Okay, in this one, I'm a tourist and I will ask Mia for directions.
All right, let's begin.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Of course. Go straight on this road and then turn left at the traffic lights.
Go straight and turn left. Okay, is it far?
No, it's just a 5-minute walk. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much.
Okay, a very common situation. Let's look at the phrases. Alex, you started with, excuse me.
Yes, excuse me is the polite way to get someone's attention when you want to ask a question.
It is, and the directions were simple. Go straight and turn left or turn right. These are the most important direction words to know.
Right, and Mia said you can't miss it. This means the place is very easy to find.
Exactly. Now for situation 4, meeting a new person.
Hi, I'm Alex. I don't think we've met before.
Hi, Alex. I'm Mia. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mia. So what do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. That's interesting. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Okay, this is a very typical small talk conversation. A key phrase here is, nice to meet you.
Yes, that's right. It's the classic response when you meet someone for the first time. The other person usually says, nice to meet you too.
Right. Then I asked, what do you do? This is a common question. It means, what is your job?
And after I answered, I said, what about you? This is a great way to ask the same question back to the other person. It keeps the conversation going.
It really does. Okay, situation 5 is talking about hobbies.
So, Alex, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I really enjoy playing the guitar, and I love hiking on the weekends.
Oh, hiking sounds fun. I like reading books and watching movies.
Nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies. They make me laugh.
So, talking about hobbies is a great way to know someone better. We use 3 simple phrases. I like, I enjoy, and I love.
They all mean something similar, but love is the strongest. I like reading, I enjoy playing guitar, I love hiking.
That's a good point. And it's important to ask follow-up questions. I asked, what kind of movies do you like? This shows you are interested and keeps the conversation alive.
It does. Okay, let's go to situation number 6, making plans. This is a phone call.
Hi, Mia. It's Alex. Are you free on Saturday?
Hi, Alex. Yes, I think so. Why?
Would you like to go see a movie?
I'd love to. What time?
How about 7 p.m.? We can meet at the cinema.
Sounds great. See you on Saturday. Perfect. So making plans is very practical. Alex, you asked, are you free on...
Right. Are you free on Saturday? This is how you ask if someone has time. Then, for the invitation, I said, would you like to...
Yes. Would you like to go see a movie is a very polite way to invite someone. To say yes, I said, I'd love to.
And to suggest a time, you can say, how about, for example, how about 7 p.m.?
And I replied, sounds great, which is a friendly way to agree. Okay, just 2 more situations left. Number 7 is talking about the weather.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's so sunny and warm. I love it.
Me too. I heard it might rain tomorrow, though.
Oh, I hope not. I prefer the sunny weather.
Talking about the weather is the ultimate small talk. It's always a safe topic. You can start with a simple observation like, it's a beautiful day.
Right, or it's so cold today. You just say what you see.
Exactly. And words like sunny, warm, rain, and cold are all great vocabulary to know.
Okay, on to our final situation, number 8, ending a conversation politely.
Well, it was really nice talking to you, Mia.
You too, Alex, but look at the time. I have to go now.
Oh, okay. No problem. Let's talk again soon.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Knowing how to end a conversation is just as important as starting one.
A great phrase is, it was nice talking to you. This shows you enjoy the conversation before you leave.
Yes, and to give a reason for leaving, you can say, I have to go now. It's simple and polite.
And finally, say something nice, like, have a great day, before you say goodbye.
And that's it. 8 situations with lots of useful phrases for your daily conversations.
That was great. We hope you found that helpful. Remember, the best way to learn is to practice.
Yes, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every time you speak, you get better and more confident.
Absolutely. So for our question of the day, where do you practice your English? Do you talk to friends, use an app, or something else? Tell us in the comments below.
We would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us at Smart English Hub.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with anyone who is learning English. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.